I got a black bag with another slime in it. So you will need a bowl, mixing tool, stapler, and beads if you want. I'm gonna use this. I already poured my glue, but I'm gonna add a little bit more glue.
Apartment 1906,
Alright, that's good.
Cypress, Texas,
And then
74229.
I'm using acrylic. So here we go.
Y'all ain't put grandma's eggs and stuff up.
Today.
Excuse
I'm
me for
telling
a
you, when it
second.
comes, we did it yesterday night. We did it last night.
Put grandma's stuff away.
I think we did it last night.
The only other address that should be there, but it shouldn't, because I spoke to
And you mix until you see no more white glue. You can use any kind of color, food coloring, but I chose to use my new acrylic I got and I love it. I just got the little ones, like 12 little ones. So yeah. Next, add in stapler.
Grandma, can I get
Like a
these shoes?
And next, after you mix it a little bit more, you mix it with your hands. So, oh God. Okay. I don't really like if my hair is dirty. So, I need more staff. What's that,
I
bro?
kind of
So
stole
that's what
one of
you're
your
supposed-
slimes
That's what
And
you're
put-
supposed
and threw it
to
away.
do. So,
I threw one in the
So I'm gonna put my son on the plane by itself.
keep adding. And then once it starts mixing well, you can start. Just keep adding, and it will get even better. Give me my slime back.
Okay, and again, this is her slime.
Okay, ugly.
Yeah. So my sister and I,
So she was doing the freaking thing, but she's a villain.
my phone away.
Okay, go.
No take.
And just keep mixing and mix. And to get even stretchier. And next, I'm gonna add beads. I have my last bead, so I have a
Okay.
lot of them, but I'm gonna buy this some more. Ooh, my hair is so pretty. Okay, I will show you the result. This is what it looks like before the beads.
So tonight, anything
This
you gotta
is-
say to the cam
This is
before
what
I do something?
this is what it looks like before the beads, you guys.
We have another cam. But y'all, she's really messy. Y'all can see from the other end. This is so cool.
And it can get a little sticky, but not that much. So here's what it looks like. Alright, now I'm going to put the beads in. I'm just going to make mine incredible. As you can see. Here's my other slime. And your slime shall turn out perfect. Alright guys. So that is all. So that is all for my slime video, and I had really fun teaching you guys how to do slime videos. So I'll be back again today with a prank. So here's a look. So stretchy.